Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another unboxing video from Wessential. That's Ruby Kisses, Kiss Products, IMV, you know, those brands, okay? And I received this lovely PR package right here. It's got some goodies, a lot of goodies in there, okay? I use majority of the goodies in here to create this look, and also goodies from the brand that I may have purchased myself. So if you want to see what I received and also how I created this simple but gorgeous look, then stay tuned. And welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another PR unboxing, and so I received this PR box on Friday and I'm doing an unboxing. This is the first video that I'm actually going to edit like on time to post on time. Right, so I received this PR package from Wessential, who is the owner of Ruby Kisses, Kiss New York, IMV, you know, those brands, okay? So this is the box that I received, okay? All the goodies are in there. Okay guys, so the plan is to show you guys what I've received first, and then we'll go ahead and we'll use the products as we're doing a look. So if you follow me on Instagram, I did an unboxing in my stories already, but we're just gonna run through this with you, and then as we go, I'll try and use as much of these products as possible, and then we'll go from there, okay? First one I pulled out the box is the matte finish spray, so I'll use this to set my face. Right, so this is the lash extension applicator. It says overnight on there, so we're gonna give this a try as well. And that was by IMV. This also is by IMV, and these are lash clusters. I have never tried these before, so we're gonna give them a try today. So basically what you do is you brush on the bond, you place the extension underneath the lashes, so not over, because I normally put my lashes, I think everyone does, on top, but you put them underneath and then you lock in with seal. Okay, so we're gonna try these as well. Here we have waterproof eyeliner from Kiss. This is another waterproof eyeliner by Ruby Kisses. This is a precision ink eyeliner from Kiss New York. Then we have some quick dry nail polish. I might not use this, to be honest, but we can still test it on a finger. This is the Kiss New York coconut oil. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my lips because my lips are dry. Let's just do it. Woo! Just to say, this smells like, it does smell like coconut, but it also has like a hint of cocoa butter that I can smell, like raw cocoa. Could be wrong, but it definitely has that smell in there. Lips are moisturized, period. And then we also have these lovely nails here. So yeah, those are the products. Now let's do a look. So I normally start with my brows, so we're gonna go ahead and use the Ruby Kisses 24-hour eyeliner. My camera is really shit, so it probably won't focus that well, but this is it. So I'm gonna use this in my brows, and then I might just use it to smudge the bottom of my eyes when we get there, okay? So this is what she looks like. It's a twist up eyeliner, okay? And she's very smooth. Look at that. She just glide on, like she went right on. So we're gonna use this to outline my brows, and it is very pigmented, so you don't need to press really hard for this. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this in. Okay, this is where we're at. Right, so the next thing I'm gonna use is this brow and lash mascara, and I use this quite a bit for the brows, and this is the brow part down here, so it is a bit brown, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that and brush it into my brows in an upwards motion. And this is what we have so far. So the gel basically secured all my hair. As you guys can see, I've got quite a bit of a fluffy hair going on here. I did trim them beforehand. But this is what we have, and then I'm gonna go and conceal, clean them up. Because I'm not using a Wessential product, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my brows off camera. And this is what we have going on so far. We use the eyeliner for the brows, and we use the Go Brow Brow and Lash Mascara just to secure the hairs, prevent them from straying all over the place and looking untidy. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this brow, well, both brows off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, we are back and the brows are finished. Okay, so just to summarize, for the brow, we use the Ruby Kisses on the brows. We got the eyeliner pencil right here, and we have the Go Brow Brow and Lash Mascara. This one's dirty because this is well used. Brows snatched. Okay, I love it. It's really smooth and it glides. You don't need to be pressing very hard with this. This will get the work done. I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'll probably do it offline. I'm gonna use the Letter Series Midnight Adventures by Ruby Kisses to do my brows. This did not come in my PR box, but I recently purchased this palette from a beauty supply, so we're gonna put it to the test today. So this is gonna be two-toned, so I'm going to use these two browns right. I'm gonna use these two right here. Okay, she has pigmentation. Then I'm going to blend it out with the lighter shade. There we have it, softer edges. Okay, so this is the eye, and I'm just gonna do the other one, and then I'll come back. We're back, and as you can see, minimal eyeshadow. We're going for that simple, classy but elegant-ish look, you know. Okay, so next up we're gonna use the Kiss New York Professional Precision Ink Eyeliner. Start from right here. Y'all see how thin that line is? I mean, it's the precision for me. You guys see that? Do you see how sharp that is? That is what we're going for, okay? Okay, so before we go any further, I think I found my new favorite eyeliner. Next, we are going to use the Kiss New York Long and Define Waterproof, okay? And this is supposed to lengthen and define. Y'all can hardly see my lashes now. Let's see if there's any changes. The brush is really nice. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the brush. I think that's really nice. A really nice brush. Ooh, okay. This is definitely doing something. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can see, but I can definitely see. Oh, yes, ma'am. Now I can see the lashes. This definitely has coated the lashes really well. I can see like individual strands of hair. This is a yes from me. I believe if I put a second coat on, they will lengthen a bit more, but I'm not gonna. I think they did a really good job. I think it did a really good job from looking at it. I can see my lashes, y'all. Okay, so we're gonna try this, and to be honest, I am a little bit nervous about this. I'm not even gonna lie, but let's do it. Okay, so the instructions are on the back here, so we're just gonna try and follow the instructions. Okay, it says no damages, no mistakes, no smudges, no strips. This is what it looks like. So you have your lashes here, you have your bond here, your bond and your seal in one tube here, and then you have your lash applicator here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to brush on the bond, then apply the lash clusters, then seal it with the sealer. So it says a little goes a long way, so I think that should be enough. First cluster is on. That went on smoothly, very much to my surprise. Okay, the second one is on. Third one is on. Okay, these aren't really that bad. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, I think this might actually be the last one that I do. I mean, it does have 5 clusters in there, but I don't think I'm gonna put the 5 on. I'll put 4. Okay, so they're on. You guys see? None, some. Okay, these are actually really nice. I'm shook. I'm gonna go ahead and seal them with the seal. You know, I can't believe it. Like, I'm shook. I'm shook. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this one offline, and I'll come back. Okay, we're back with both lashes done, and I'm gonna just say right now that I am shook. Like, these are more natural looking. I mean, I don't really do natural lashes that much, but these are more natural looking. Like, I would wear these if I was actually leaving the house, whereas some of the eyelashes that I have, I would only wear them on Instagram. But yeah, this look, like this eye look right here, it's a yes. It's a yes for me. So I really do recommend these. It's shocking, but you know, it's shocking that I really actually like them. I mean, I saw them and I was like, this is interesting, but now they're on, it's more like my natural look. Okay, so I won't actually use this today. This, I just read the back of it, and this is basically supposed to be used to secure the clusters up to 2 weeks, but I'm only doing this for the purpose of the video. I'm not really a makeup girl outside, like in the everyday ordinary life, so I wouldn't necessarily wear these for 2 weeks. So I'm not gonna use this today, but if I do plan on keeping, like, getting extensions done, then I know I can use this to secure them. And that basically is pretty much it. I mean, we do still have to try the setting spray, so I'll run through and I'll do my face, and I'll try as much as I can to use any of the Wessential products that I do have, and then I'll seal it off with this matte finish spray and let you guys know exactly what it is that I think about the finishing spray. Okay, this spray, it smells very, I want to say coconutty, but it has a scent that I can't really describe. It's really nice. Don't get me wrong, it's really nice. And the spray is almost mist-like, so it's not that heavy spray that splatters all over your face, which I really love. So thumbs up for me so far. I'm not done. I'm gonna go ahead and use the matte finish setting spray again. Use the eyeliner again, along with this lip gloss that I also received. I think I forgot to show you guys this, but I also received this in the package. Y'all see how well this works as a lip liner as well? So we used it as a brow pencil, as an eyeliner, and also as a lip liner. Versatility, baby. Versatility. But yes, okay, so this is the finished look that we did, and I must say that, you know, I am, but to be honest, I'm not really shocked, because like I said, I do know Ruby. I'm quite familiar with Ruby Kisses, and I know that they deliver really good products. And Wessential on a hold, you come up with a beautiful face like this. Okay, so I mean, I went through all of the products. The only ones that I didn't use were the nails, which is press-on nails, to be honest. They look really nice, but they won't really go with this look, so I'm not gonna use them. The nail polish also, we didn't get to today, but those were all the things that I received. And I must say thank you to Wessential for even reaching out. I really appreciate it. And you know, come on now, like, y'all are not accustomed to seeing me with natural looks, I should say. But I don't look half bad, you know. I think I can pull this off. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll link all my products below. I'll provide any details of everything that I use also below. And should you guys have any queries, just reach out. But thank you again, Wessential, the box of goodies, everything. Look at the look I created. Come on now, stop playing with me. Love you guys. Bye.